Welcome back to the English language learning class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is your report writing. What is report writing? Can we say, or can you say? How can I say from here? Okay. But anyways, I am here to explain you what is report writing. A report can be a brief note or complete detailed information about an event that has already been over. खत्म हो चुका है. उसके बारे में जब हम आपके बताते हैं वो रिपोर्ट होता है. There are two types of reports we can say. One is for newspaper and one is for magazine. What is the difference between for the newspaper and the magazine? I am going to say it now. First thing, let us remember what are the points to remember. Your content should be very brief and to the point. Report can be event in order in which things happen. जैसे हुआ है वैसे report करोगे. Should be always written in past tense. When you are writing a report for a magazine, then it should be in the past tense. When you are writing for the newspaper, it should be having a mix of tenses. That is mixture आता है उसमें. Remember, for magazine it is in the past tense. Newspaper में आप tense mix कर सकते हो. Okay. Now what are the format for the magazine? That is a report writing for magazine. First thing is heading should be split into three of heading by content, split into three or four paragraphs. Now what is the first paragraph contains? What, where, when, to whom or who is invited. Everything in detail. First paragraph में आ गया. याद रखो. Second paragraph, sequence of the event to be described. क्या हुआ है, किसके बाद क्या क्या हुआ है. You need to describe the sequence of the event. You will be understanding it better when I give a question and I solve it, then you will understand. Okay. Now third paragraph means you have to quote the excerpts from the chief guest and the conclusion. That means जो हुआ उसके बाद chief guest ने क्या बोला, vote of thanks दिया, इसने दिया, वैसे दिया. Suppose if I say you are a president of the Arambh club. Name of the club is Arambh, beginning. Okay. And this club is organizing a blood donation camp. Normally blood donation camps are done for the betterment or for the utilization of the society itself. Blood कोई लेके घर में नहीं रखने वाला है. Blood bank में देने वाला है. Indirectly it is a help towards the society. Okay. Now what happens in the blood donation camp? Arambh club ने अपना organize कर लिया. Some chief guest will be there. Then कहाँ होता है, उस एरिया का डेकोरेशन कैसे था, कौन कौन लोग उसमें आए थे, who were the people, who were the dignitaries if they have invited, and then what happens, how did they begin this camp, this blood donation camp, what were the arrangements done. Everything you need to write in a report writing. Got it? Now the same question I am going to put it on the board and then I will be solving it for you. So that before that just remember first paragraph में what, where, for whom, who is invited. Second paragraph में sequence, मतलब किसके बाद क्या हुआ, शुरुआत किससे हुआ, उसके बाद क्या, उसके नीचे end तक. Third में chief guest ने क्या किया, president ने क्या किया और किसने क्या बोला. Everything should be in the last paragraph and then it is a conclusion to the thing. So go through this. I'm just after this very thing I am going to put a question on the board and then I will be solving it for you. So here is a question for you regarding the report writing. It is for a magazine. As I have said that you are Ayush, president of the Arambh club of your college, and your club organized blood donation camp in the college and you have to write a report on this program in about 25 to 150 words. Now what is the first thing you have to do? Everything should be written inside a box. First thing, blood donation. Who has done? By Ayush. That is Arambh club का जो president है. Then as I said, three paragraphs are there. First paragraph will be saying where, how, whom and who were there. Blood donation camp was organized by the Arambh club on 17 January 2021 from 9 am to 1:30 pm. The college was decorated with posters and banners. Many other things also you can write it here. Second paragraph, who was the chief guest there? Mr. Jeevan Jha, Dean of History Department of ANU, was a chief guest. Around how many were there? How other people who attended? Around 1500 students attended it. This program began with the lighting of the lamp and motivational speech must be there. Everything you can write it here. I've just put a dot because everything I cannot mention it in this board. Third paragraph is in the end. That is your conclusion part. What did the chief guest do or how did it end? In the end, the chief guest gave a very motivating speech about the role of the youth and that means more sentences you can add for the betterment of the society, what the youths are playing at what kind of role and the principal presented a vote of thanks, after which the refreshment was served. The important thing is here, the entire sentence is in the past tense. Okay, so heading by 3 paragraphs. First, where, how, whom, when, who were invited. Second, who was there, the chief guest, we can say there, as I have given, or who were the dignitaries who were there. Then last में क्या हुआ था तुम्हारे उस program में. That means ये already हो चुका है, and you are writing a report today for your magazine. So this is all about. You can just note it down. So this is a format for the newspaper. When we are writing for the newspaper, what should be there with you? You see, headline, by, date. Now where we were writing the headline, in the magazine it was not there. In between we were writing the heading. Here headline, by, date and place. Then what are the four paragraphs what they are using for the newspaper section? You see, the first paragraph, that means expansion of the headline. That means what are you giving the heading. Then second paragraph, detailed description of the event or happening that has already happened or about what you are going to mention. The third paragraph is remarks of the witness or the people, those who were present in that event. Now fourth paragraph is action taken so far or what actions will be taken. You can better understand if I put a question now on the board and I am going to solve it. Suppose you have witnessed a fire accident on the road. Then what had the things happened? What was the scenario? First paragraph, expansion, that is horrible fire accident we can put. Second paragraph, detailed description, where did that accident take place and what had happened, what was the entire situation. Third paragraph, who were the people who were affected and who witnessed that and how many people were present and how many people were affected. And the fourth paragraph, what action should be taken or the action that has been taken so far till now. That means when the accident has already happened, we are reporting. So what actions they took for the betterment or what will be the actions that will be taken for that situation. Very soon after this I am just going to put the question and solve it for you, and so that you can understand it in a better way. So just note down this thing and then I will be putting a question for you. So here is a question related to write a report writing for a newspaper. The question has been given to you. You are Ranjan or Ranjita, reporter with the Times newspaper. So you witnessed a fire accident in a crowded market in Delhi. Write a report to be published in the newspaper, and you need to invent your necessary details. That means details are not given to you, only it is provided that you have witnessed a fire accident. Now what is the thing? First, remember headline, that is expansion. Fire engulfed central market. This is the expansion of the title or the heading. Then I said date and the place, or the place and the date. It should be written in this way. First date. Remember, don't write 10.2021. That is not to be done. 10 January 2021, New Delhi. Put the commas in between. Then what was the scenario? कितने लोग उसमें attack हुए? Yeah, forgot. One more thing. Fire engulfed central market. You have to write your byline. Who are you? I have given you Ranjan or Ranjita. If any name is not mentioned, you can write any name. Don't put your own name. If you put also, no problem. So you have to put a hyphen, your name. Since it is for a newspaper, you need to mention it as a staff reporter. Then your date and then place. Comma is in between. Then how many people were affected due to this or what happened actually. Remember when I was giving you the format, I said that for the newspaper you can use the mixture of the tense. But for the your magazine, we need to only do it in the past tense. So we can here mix match our tenses also. So I started it in this way. Over 1500 people were trapped for 2 hours. When a devastating fire broke out yesterday in the central market, that is Rohini Nagar, I have mentioned the place, the time between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Though no casualties were reported officially, 50 people were injured. Many people were there. Officially announcement nahi hua tha. I am giving the details here. And 50 people were injured. That is also mentioned because I was very much present there. I means here Ranjan. So then second paragraph, क्या हुआ था? कैसे हुआ था? What was the reason? The fire broke out around 4:50 p.m. due to a short circuit, and you can expand it here for a short circuit in the main line of your electricity current or something that you have to expand it. Then what happened? Fire हो गया. क्या हुआ? उसके बाद losses. Losses is about estimated to be about 3 crores. Remember children, you need to mention what the government is going to do for this action. Since the estimation was 3 crore rupees, it is not a small amount. So here you can mention the governor has announced an inquiry into the mishap. That means what are the actions to be taken or what action it was taken and what further it will be taken. Both the things I have mentioned here. Governor has announced the inquiry and what actions will be taken further. The police is investigating the matter. You see, tenses are mixed smashed here. Put a focus or you focus on this type of writings for the especially for the newspaper. So this is all about your report writing regarding for the newspaper. Again, I am explaining you. Title is, heading is expanded or expansion of the heading is done. Byline. The name is given here by Ranjan, staff reporter. Date, place. The way of writing the date is in this matter, in this format, pattern, and this is the place. What was the scenario in the first paragraph? Second paragraph, kya hua tha? Details I have given. I have added it since my place is short here, so I have mentioned what the action is taken or what action will be taken. And overall, a box. So this is all about your report writing for the newspaper. So with this, you can just go through the question. After that, if any doubt is there, you can put it in the comment box. So my dear viewers, with this I conclude your report writing section, and very soon we will be uploading another video related to your writing skills. Till then, be safe, take care of yourself.